So before I get started, this little agate jumped out at me. So a few of these little pieces that were flaking off around the outside, I noticed there's some little agates. So I'm going to go ahead and collect these and go ahead and throw those in the pan as we collect them. So. So I got a bit of that outer material away, and I just got a big, well, I can see the formation of this geode, so I'm going to go ahead and separate this host rock away from that. We'll see if there's anything hiding. Let's see here. This is the fun part. And it looks like there's a couple little agates in there. So I'm going to try to clean that up, be a little more careful to try and extract those, but put it back into fast motion, get the rest of this baby uncovered, see what's hiding. Okay, so I got all that host material off, and I'm left with one heck of a geode. You can see this thing is probably about, I'm lowballing, but 10 pounds. I mean, What? Okay, so as I was going through this, breaking up that geode, I noticed that there was a few spots of agatized material throughout this. So I'm going to go ahead and bust this open and find all the little remaining pieces of agate that, you know, want to come loose. Oh, where'd that one go? Anyways, so you can see a few of them throughout here. They're just kind of little clam-shaped ones. I'm going to pop those out, see if there's anything worthwhile. Just got through smashing through a few of those basalt chunks from the geode, and I still got a bit left, but already got a little handful of blue agate that was left over from all the little vesicles within that that chunk there. So I figured if there's a big one, there's got to be other little agates and things within there, so these will be good to tumble. Yeah, let's keep breaking.